Today, you will learn how to edit a PDF CV in Microsoft Word for free in a very simple way. If you have a CV saved as a PDF file and you need to update your name, phone number, skills, education, experience, or any other information, then first, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Now click on File, then Open, and browse to the location where your PDF CV is saved. Select the PDF file and click Open. Word will display a message telling you that it will convert the PDF into an editable Word document. This is completely normal. Click OK and wait a few seconds while Word converts the file. Once the conversion is complete, your PDF CV will open inside Microsoft Word. Now you can click anywhere in the document and start editing the text just like a normal Word document. For example, if you have changed your phone number, email address, home address, or job title, simply click on that text and replace it with the new information. If you want to add a new skill, certification, or qualification, place your cursor in the appropriate section and type the new details. If you want to remove outdated information, select the text and press the Delete key on your keyboard. Sometimes PDF files contain text boxes, images, icons, or special formatting. If something does not look exactly the same after conversion, don't worry. You can click on the object and adjust its position, size, or formatting manually. Most PDF CVs convert very well, but highly designed resumes may require a few small adjustments. You can also change fonts, font sizes, colors, and spacing if you want to improve the appearance of your CV. Simply select the text and use the formatting tools available on the Home tab in Microsoft Word. If your CV contains a profile picture, you can replace it easily. Right-click on the existing image and choose Change Picture, then go to the image location and choose a new image from your computer. Resize and position the image as needed. After making all the necessary changes, take a few moments to review the entire CV. Check for spelling mistakes, formatting issues, and alignment problems. It is always a good idea to read through every section carefully before saving the final version. Now, let's save the edited CV. Click File and then Save As. If you want to keep an editable version, save it as a Word document. If you need to send your CV to employers or upload it to job websites, save it as a PDF again. To do that, choose PDF from the Save As type options and click Save.